Hi there, Charlotta from MD Needle Pen here. I wanted to show you what's in the actual kit. We have two kits, one microneedling kit, the MD Needle Pen kit, and one nano kit. So it's the same pen in both of the kits, but it's different cartridges and different patient brochures. So this is the box that it comes in. And it says MD Needle Pen on it. Okay, so what's in the box? In the box is the pen. You also get an extra battery, which is great. So you will have two batteries, and this is because if you have back-to-back clients and you choose to use this pen cordless, you always have a fully charged battery if you don't want to plug in the cord. So that's why we have two batteries. So the battery is already attached on the pen. It's super easy to just screw it on and off. Super, super duper easy. To put on the pen, you press down the on button for 5 seconds. So it's gonna turn red, and then it changes in color. So it's purple, dark blue, light blue, and green. And you might hear like the change in sound. You can see the color there too. So the red is most penetrations per minute. So it's the highest RPMs with the red one. And you just press it down for 5 seconds to turn it off. So on and off is exactly the same. In the kit, you will also get a cord, of course, charging cord. So this is like a USB. So a regular plug with a USB and the plug with the USB connection in it. You also get 12 needle cartridges. And these are the cartridges that can be used on any skin depth and any skin condition. Of course, not active acne or severe rosacea, but otherwise the 12 pin you can use for anyone. You will also get one hyaluronic acid. It's a pure hyaluronic acid that you get in the kit. So in case you don't have any serums that you want to use in your microneedling treatment, we do sell these, and it's pure hyaluronic and it's amazing to use in a microneedling session. You get 25 patient brochures. You also have a little instructional manual in the box. All of this information you can also find in the Success portal, which is included in the pen kit. In the kit for $995, you also get access to something called the Success portal. Right? So you get access to that immediately after your pen purchase. So you just go to mdneedlepen.com, and in the yellow field above the regular menu, like on the right-hand side on the website, you will see something called the Success portal, and you just click on that link there, and then you will get redirected to the Success portal. You just have to put in your username and password that you created at checkout, and then when you get in there you can see more videos, of course, and you can also see the manual, needle depth charts, and everything that you would need to be successful. And if there are any other questions that pops up, please don't hesitate to either call us or email us, because we're here for your support. We want you to succeed. So the kit comes with one pen, two batteries, a charger, 10 needle cartridges, and it's the 12 pin needle cartridge, one hyaluronic acid bottle is a 2 ounce, 25 patient brochures, and also access to the Success portal, which is an educational tool for you on our website. That's it, and that is for $995. So go to our website, mdneedlepen.com, and get your kit today.